freedom over fame. Freedom over cycle stays the same.
Here we go again. Organizing these things. This time, well, this time won't be too different as far as organizing this time, but this time I'm going to do a lot more just because, like I said, I'm going to be doing more with deep cleaning today. A lot more cleaning than I did the last. This time I'm actually going to fully deep clean the whole kitchen.
Freedom over fame. Freedom over fame. The cycle stays the same.
I don't do a full deep clean like every time because it just takes so long for one. And I'm kind of impatient when it comes to stuff like that. But try to do it like maybe once a month. Yeah, do a full deep clean. Don't think it's too bad, right? Yes, I'm wearing a different shirt. Yes, this is a different day. It's because I don't know what happened. I just ended up not finishing, and I ended up not wanting to do it anymore. That's unfortunately the situations we deal with as someone with ADHD. I kind of just give up, and I'm done, and I no longer wanted to do it anymore. So, needs to say, here we are next day, and we're just gonna work it out. But there's just so many things about this apartment that I just dislike because it just wasn't done right. Like, I don't know if you could, I think you can see in this angle, like my door, that came off and it's kind of just been off. We told them about it and they claimed to have come to fix it. And I was here when you tried to fix it and it was fixed for a brief moment. But like, it really wasn't fixed. He kind of really just put it back on, and that was it. And then it eventually came back off again, and we've kind of just not told them about it because it kind of serves no purpose to tell them about it again. For them to not do anything, so we just kind of just deal with it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking so much and try to deep clean this kitchen the best I can. You notice that I have to use my hands in order to clean up my sink because I don't have one of those little fancy sprayer things. Yeah, it's called fancy. Obviously, they're not that fancy. They've been around for a while, but yeah, this apartment complex so we don't get, at least I don't know what any other newer renovated units, but I know my apartment, we didn't get one of those sprayers. We have a spot for it right there. We just don't have a sprayer. They didn't give us one. We got kind of a bottom of the barrel one. I mean, I'm grateful for this apartment. I truly am. This I try to keep clean as much as possible, and somehow we keep ending up just throwing random stuff over here. I don't quite understand it. We have places for things over here. I try to keep this pretty much just olive oil or oils, I guess, because I don't really like them where they normally go, which is underneath the cabinet, like in like the little pantry area. I really like it underneath there because, unfortunately, I use it a lot. I don't say unfortunately, but I use it a fair bit, all three of them. So like, I'd rather keep them out, like just an ease of access. Keep all three of them on him, but we keep ended up putting random things there, like snacks and chips and stuff. So that causes this area to be less than ideally clean.